We do have our co-pilot program where we do one-on-one coaching, technology coaching, basically of how to use SAM within your business. One of the benefits of it is the ability to go in there and say, hey, I have this particular problem and how do I solve it? And if we don't have a solution for it built in, we try to figure out, how can we make that happen? One of the things that we added with one of our co-pilot people was a MailChimp integration. He's doing MailChimp. So by doing that, he gets it first, but it becomes available to you guys as well. So everybody's helping grow the system, but we focus in on what your particular needs are, figuring out how can we solve that problem, and then making a solution for it. We've got tons and tons of things that we need to develop, but as we get co-pilot people, we kind of prioritize those.